बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम बायो इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री सीरीज में हीमोग्लोबिन एंड मायोग्लोबिन के बारे में देखेंगे. एंड दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक इन योर बायो इनऑर्गेनिक पोर्शन एज फार एज योर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स आर कंसर्न्ड. यानी आपका जो CSIR, पर्टिकुलर जो आपका CSIR JRF नेट जो एग्जाम होता है, 100% you will get 1, 2 or maybe 2 to 3 questions from this portion. So you'll always get a question from this portion. अभी तक जितने हमने 2-3 लेक्चर्स देख लिए उसमें भी क्वेश्चन आता है, लेकिन यहाँ पे 100% probability that you will get a question. ठीक है. So we'll start कि basically today about the structure and related things. तो ये जो टॉपिक है, ये this topic will be studying under 5 headings. ठीक. तो मायोग्लोबिन एंड हीमोग्लोबिन का वी नो दैट जो डिफरेंस है, जो हमने ऑलरेडी डिस्कस किया हुआ है, दैट हीमोग्लोबिन जो है इट इज द पिगमेंट इन द रेड ब्लड सेल्स, दैट इज द RBCs और इरिथ्रोसाइट्स. इट ट्रांसपोर्ट्स द ऑक्सीजन एंड देन कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. ठीक. एंड मायोग्लोबिन का स्ट्रक्चर भी सेम होता है, डिफरेंस बस इतना होता है, इन द मायोग्लोबिन वी हैव अ सिंगल चेन, one chain of protein attached to the heme group. So we have one chain plus heme group here, and while as in the hemoglobin we have 4 chains, 4 protein chains plus 4 heme groups, means each chain has an heme group. That's the difference. इसके अलावा hemoglobin we know it transports the oxygen into the cells from the aerial atmosphere. ठीक. एंड देन वहां से सेल्स से क्या, जो वहां पर रेस्पिरेशन होने के बाद जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड निकलता है उसको वापस ले जाता है. एंड व्हाट इट डज मायोग्लोबिन, इट स्टोर्स दैट ऑक्सीजन एंड इज प्रेजेंट इन द मसल सेल्स, स्केलेटल सेल्स एंड सो ऑन. ठीक. ये तो जनरल प्रोसेस था ना. जो मैंने स्ट्रक्चर कहा, स्ट्रक्चर इज सेम, डिफरेंस दैट इट कंटेन्स ओनली वन चेन, वन प्रोटीन चेन एंड अ हीम ग्रुप. सो व्हाइल दिस कंटेन्स 4 चेन्स and each chain has a heme group, that means there are 4 heme groups. ठीक है. Now, so what I'm going to do is that now we are focusing only on the hemoglobin, और जहां पे मायोग्लोबिन इसके साथ आएगा, so that we'll discuss. So otherwise the structure is the same. So ये जो hemoglobin है in the bioinorganic chemistry portion, so I will be trying to clear this under 5 topics. Topic number 1 जो हम देखेंगे, that is the structure. So that I will be dealing is the structure. Also, pen has some problems. So your topic number 1, that will be the structure of hemoglobin and myoglobin. Structure. Second topic which will be dealing with, that is under the heading called as, so second topic जो है हम डील करेंगे, that will be about the cooperativity effect. cooperative effect. तो ये दूसरा टॉपिक है जिसके साथ हम डील करेंगे अंडर दिस हेडिंग. थर्ड टॉपिक विल बी डीलिंग विथ, दैट विल बी योर बोर्स इफेक्ट. Bohr's effect. And fourth topic जिसपे हम बात करेंगे, that will be your what should I say, that is your role of protein chains. यानी जो हीमोग्लोबिन में हीम ग्रुप के साथ जो चेन्स होती है, सो रोल ऑफ प्रोटीन चेन्स, रोल ऑफ प्रोटीन चेन्स, रोल ऑफ प्रोटीन चेन्स. और जो फिफ्थ टॉपिक है, दैट विल बी अबाउट द पॉइजनिंग इफेक्ट. पॉइजनिंग इफेक्ट. सो दीज आर द 5 टॉपिक्स, जिन टॉपिक्स के अंडर हम ये जो पूरा टॉपिक है इसको पढ़ेंगे हम. ठीक है. सो इन ऑर्डर टू अंडरस्टैंड द हीमोग्लोबिन एंड दिस होल ट्रांसपोर्ट इन फैक्ट ऑफ ऑक्सीजन एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड in the living systems, So we'll be dealing with this hemoglobin under 5 headings. एक हमारा जो हुआ topic, that is we'll be talking about the structure of the hemoglobin and myoglobin, then cooperativity effect or cooperative effect, then Bohr's effect, role of the protein chains, and positioning effect. So in today's class we'll be starting point number 1, that is the structure. So point is related to the structure of the molecule, structure of the hemoglobin. ठीक है? So we'll start with the structure of the hemoglobin, जहाँ से question आता है in the your competitive exams. So we'll start with the structure. So structure जो हमने already discuss किया, I will again completely now show you that structure. So structure की जहाँ तक बात है, we know that we have 4 pyrrole rings. At the 4 corners, this is 1 pyrrole ring, another pyrrole ring, this is your another pyrrole ring, so these are the 4 pyrrole rings at the corners, ठीक, and we know they are connected by methane bridges. ये हमने already discuss किया है, but now since I am talking specifically about this hemoglobin, so all these bridges they are called as the methane bridges, ठीक. अब यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा मसला हुआ है. So these are methane bridges. There should be conjugation throughout. Yes, so we have a problem here. I don't know what should I do. Yes, इसको थोड़ा सा conjugation में remove करना पड़ेगा, because you have to show it conjugated structure. So this is double bond, single bond, double bond, single double. So remove this, make a double bond here. So remove this. मैंने initially just pyrrole rings बनाई थी. So then you have a double bond here, single double. Then you can remove this. Then you have a double bond here. So in nutshell, there must be conjugation in this whole structure. ठीक है. अब जो substituents है, they are also important. वहाँ भी question आता है. So इस ring को यहाँ you keep an alkene, ethene molecule here is a substituent. ठीक. And then CH3 is here. ठीक है. Then you have ये जो ring है, there also you have the same thing, CH double bond CH2. So same substituents here. Then this point contains CH3. ये जो आपकी position है pyrrole में, that contains methyl group. ठीक है. So then this ring contains CH3 here. And you have CH2. Oh, let's go now up so that the things become clear. So you have CH2 propionic acid molecule here. This position also contains CH2, CH2 and COOH, CH3. So this is the structure of the molecule. And then at the center we have iron 2, dipositive iron, and it's linked, it's coordinated through these 4 sides. So iron 2 at the present. So you have iron 2 present at the center in the cavity. Okay. Now, so we have basically the protein chains. ठीक है. वो protein chains कैसे attach होती है? वो protein chains यहाँ से attach होती है, यहाँ से. So we have those protein chains attached here with the iron, directly with the iron. So इसी तरीके, so if we say this is one molecule, so likely there are 4 molecules in the hemoglobin. Each molecule has a protein chain, this protein chain and this head called as the heme group. ठीक. Now question कहाँ से आता है? So if you talk about your iron which is present at the center, so that iron is basically present in the form of, so we have iron 2 at the center, iron di positive, so it's a D6 system, fine. So it's a D6 system in hemoglobin that we can represent by HB. So it's a D6 system. अगर ये D6 system है, now the question arises, is it high spin or low spin? Remember, it is high spin always. It's a high spin system. High spin. So when the high spin comes in our mind, immediately जो iron की जो diagram है, crystal field splitting diagram, that we should know. So let us show it like this. T2G EG, this is your EG set. This is our T2G set. Okay, let's say this is our barycenter. So T2G set, this is DXY, this is DYZ, this is DZX. That's your T2G set. So higher energy is EG set, that is dx square minus y square. This is dz square. So D6 है, high spin complex है. Normally अभी हमने oxygen इस पे ऐड नहीं किया. It has not attached to the oxygen yet. It's not transporting. So high spin means you can keep one electron here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then one here 6. So it is basically T2G4 and EG2. So this is the electronic configuration of your normal hemoglobin when it's not transported, it has not transported the oxygen. ठीक है, यहां से भी क्वेश्चन आता है. अब सेकंड पॉइंट जो है हमारे पास, दैट इज जो मैंने कहा कि हीमोग्लोबिन इज बेसिकली, व्हाट इज हीमोग्लोबिन? बेसिकली इट इज योर प्रोटीन पार्ट, प्रोटीन चेन प्लस हीम ग्रुप. ठीक, ये जो प्रोटीन चेन प्लस हीम ग्रुप है, नाउ हीम ग्रुप कंटेन्स इनसाइड इट एक तो दिस टेट्रापायरोल सिस्टम. सो हीम ग्रुप इज कंपोज्ड ऑफ tetrapyrrole ring, tetrapyrrole ring or porphyrin ring plus iron plus 2. तो ये जो iron 2 एक्ट करता है यहाँ पे, now we know that this is a protein. ठीक, we have protein chain and a heme group, or it's a globular protein. So your hemoglobin is a globular protein. Remember this. It's a globular protein, 3-dimensional globular protein. उसका जो स्ट्रक्चर है दैट इज क्वाटरनरी स्ट्रक्चर. रिमेंबर दिस, वी नो प्रोटीन हैज प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी, टर्शियरी एंड क्वाटरनरी स्ट्रक्चर. सो ओवरऑल हीमोग्लोबिन हैज क्वाटरनरी स्ट्रक्चर. बिकॉज यहां से भी क्वेश्चन आता है. एंड देन जो आयरन है दैट एक्ट्स एज द प्रोस्थेटिक ग्रुप इन दिस प्रोटीन, in this protein molecule. So iron acts as prosthetic group. We know that protein has a part called as the prosthetic group. Sometimes there are cofactors also, but this acts as the prosthetic group. So likely जो हमने एंजाइम पढ़ा था कार्बोनिक एनहाइड्रेस, उसमें भी जो हमारा कार्बोनिक एनहाइड्रेस था was the fastest enzyme to convert carbon dioxide plus water into carbonic acid. So जो कार्बोनिक एनहाइड्रेस है उसमें भी, that's also the enzyme, उसमें जो prosthetic group था that was the metal ion which is that जो हमने पढ़ा था, that is your zinc 2+. So that's also acting as prosthetic group there. Likely जो हमने पढ़ा था जो reduction में, that is the nitrate reductase is an enzyme. Nitrate reductase, reduction of nitrates reductase. उसमें जो एंजाइम है that contains molybdenum. So that molybdenum also acts as the prosthetic. ठीक है. So this was all about your the basic structure. उसके बाद जहां से क्वेश्चन आता है, that is now the question is that our hemoglobin contains this heme portion and this proteinaceous chain. How this protein chain is attached with this iron? ठीक, तो protein chain जो है that basically contains so we have total number of 4 protein chains in the hemoglobin. First we will do that. 4 chains, while in the myoglobin we have 1 chain. So in the myoglobin we have 1 chain only, means 1 protein chain. So 1 protein chain attached to 1 head, fine, and 4 protein chains attached to 4 heads like this. Each chain जो है that contains, so there are 2 types of chains, 2 alpha chains and 2 beta chains. 2 alpha chains, among the alpha chains, each alpha chain, which protein chain, we know protein is basically what? Amino acids linked together through those amide bonds. So 2 alpha chains, each chain contains 141 amino acids. And beta chains, we have a slightly longer chain that contains 146 amino acids. ठीक? उसके बाद, so there are 2 alpha chains, 2 beta chains. ठीक है? So अब question है कि ये जो chain है, how is it attached to the heme group? If this is your heme group, how this chain is attached to that particular iron at the center? ठीक है? तो basically जो protein chain होती है, we know there are amino acids. तो वहां पे एंड पे एक अमाइनो एसिड होता है that contains a ring called as the imidazole ring. There's an amino acid called as the histidine protein. That amino acid contains histidine protein, because we know the chain has at one side there's amino group and the other side of the chain it contains carboxylic acid group. ठीक है? So this is your amino group. यहां पे होता है हमारे पास जो अमाइनो एसिड, that is histidine. And histidine जो structure है that contains imidazole ring. So let me make that imidazole ring. It's like this. NH. So we have a double bond here. This is your imidazole ring. The imidazole ring जो है, then it has attached to that. It's attached here. This is a protein. It is histidine part. The histidine part में जो imidazole ring है, through that imidazole ring, it's attached to the iron. यहाँ से जो iron होता है heme के center में, iron 2+. So then there are those 4 pyrols. ठीक है? So they are connected together by the methine bridges. So through the imidazole part of the histidine protein in the protein chain, it is attached to the the porphyrin. ठीक है? So this is important. यहाँ से भी question आता है. उसके बाद जो point है, that is, now we have the proteinaceous chain at the top. Now what is the geometry of this complex? ठीक है? ये geometry है ना, it's always a dome shaped geometry. It's not a planar geometry. So it's a square pyramidal type. So if it's square pyramidal, we can show it like this. So this is your square pyramidal. Then I can show it like this. कहाँ पे इसको यहाँ दिखा लेते हैं, iron +2. इसको 2 डायमेंशन में थोड़ा सा दिखाना डिफिकल्ट है, ट्राई बेस्ट. लाइक दिस, यानी ये जो आयरन है दैट इज स्लाइटली एट द टॉप. सो इट्स अ डोम शेप्ड स्ट्रक्चर. सो इट्स, यू कैन से द ज्योमेट्री इज डोम शेप्ड. जो आपका वॉच गिलास जो लैब में होता है, इट्स लाइक अ वॉच ग्लास, सर्क्यूलर ग्लास टाइप वॉच गिलास. Similar to that, this is the geometry of this this complex. ठीक है? So we see this is the basic structure. So normally when oxygen is not joined, so it's said to be the high spin. The iron is said to be in the high spin state. Or you can say it's a square pyramidal. ठीक है? Square and then pyramid at the top, like the pyramids of Egypt. Now इसके अलावा तो ये जो पोर्शन है, दिस पोर्शन प्रोटीन का, वो पोर्शन जहां से इट इज अटैच्ड टू द आयरन, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द, सो दिस इज अ प्रोटीन चेन, फाइन. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द प्रॉक्सिमल पार्ट. सो दैट पार्ट वाई इट इज अटैच्ड टू द आयरन, this part of protein is called as the proximal part. proximal end or proximal part. And the rest portion of this protein chain, मैं एक chain की बात करता हूं, which is away from this heme group, so that's called as the distal end. ठीक है? So एक part होता है proximal part and second is the distal part. So distal part is away from the heme group. So this portion which is away from the heme group, it's called as the distal part or distal end. A proximal part के through it is attached to the iron, लेकिन जो distal part है, it is also important function. Remember this. So distal part की जो function है, that is, it prevents this molecule iron 2 to get oxidized, because we know that ये blood में होता है, this system in the erythrocytes. So there are other entities, other chemicals that can oxidize the molecule iron 2. So if they oxidize the molecule, यहाँ पे we have it will hinder the oxygen transport. There can be damage to the blood, so it can lead to clotting and other factors. To prevent that oxidation by those oxidizing agents, so what it does, this chain plays the important role, this distal end. So ये एक environment create करता है इसके आसपास, it prevents it from the oxidation. So distal end of, I should say the distal end of this protein chain, it prevents, ये बहुत important है, it prevents oxidation of heme group. Oxidation of heme group. ठीक है? So it prevents the oxidation of the heme group. So this is the normal structure. Now let's move further. To move further, let me change this page now. So this is what we are actually dealing with. So we are dealing with the structure at the moment. ठीक है? So our hemoglobin basically contains, so our hemoglobin, that is HB, it contains 2 alpha genes, 2 beta genes, 2 alpha and 2 beta genes. Normally they exist in the form of a tetramer. Remember this, tetramer. Tetramer means when we have this type of structure, 4 chains इकट्ठे, they are bound together. ठीक है? So this is your heme group, this is one chain, another chain, heme and the protein tail, heme and the protein tail. So they are joined together through this ionic linkage, that is the hydrogen bonding. So they are joined together by hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding. So this joining together by hydrogen bonding, this plays an important role in the cooperativity effect, जो हम आगे देखेंगे, that I'm not discussing here. ठीक है? So these are 4 chains in the form of a tetramer, but they can exist as dimer also. For example, in this form, alpha beta whole 2, or we can associate them alpha 2 beta 2. So there is this tetramer dimer type of equilibrium existing. So आप इसको ऐसा भी दिखा सकते हो, there is tetramer dimer equilibrium of hemoglobin in the blood. ठीक है? So यहाँ से भी question आ सकता है. Now another question is that when the oxygen binds, ठीक है? अच्छा, एक point ये है, there are 4 chains. So each chain carries 1 molecule of oxygen. So each chain carries 1 molecule of oxygen. So total, a hemoglobin molecule carries 4 molecules of oxygen. So hemoglobin can join with the 4 molecules of oxygen. So this will see, this effect also we'll see in the coming lectures, that is HbO2. So it will carry 4 molecules of oxygen. So each chain carries 1 molecule of oxygen during the transport. ठीक है? Now, अच्छा, this alpha and beta refers to, well, its structure is alpha helix. This is also important. And beta refers to the beta helical sheet structure. Beta sheet structure. The second structure of protein. ठीक? Alpha helix, that is right handed, and beta helix, that is left handed. दोनों में बस जो मेन डिफरेंस वो ये है कि alpha helix में we have the intramolecular hydrogen bonding. This is also important. The chain is key inside, within the chain there is intramolecular hydrogen bonding. hydrogen bonding, while as in case of beta we have intermolecular. ये main difference है इनमें, intermolecular hydrogen bonding. So ठीक है. Now we have to see that when the oxygen joins, so how it behaves. That's also important portion. So now we have our hemoglobin, we have iron at the center, iron 2. So it's like this. So we have 4 units here. Okay. This is 4 pyrrole rings. I'm just showing it in the form of cartoon. So they are joined together here by methane bridges. Okay. So now on this side we have that protein chain attached through the imidazole, histidine protein, and that imidazole group. Okay. So let's show that imidazole part to have that complete picture in our mind. ठीक है. अब ये जो दूसरा एंड यहां से the oxygen molecule joins from this side. So this is how the oxygen molecule joins. यहां से जो नीचे का पोर्शन जो आपका it is wired from the oxygen molecule. We know that it's a planar structure. On one side we have that the histidine protein of the protein is change होकर नीचे वाला side है, there from there the oxygen comes in. ठीक. And so ये जो angle है, it makes the angle with this, usually it is around 130. ये angle it's around 130 degrees. So this is 130. ठीक है. Now this is called, now it's called oxyhemoglobin. Now oxygen has joined, it's oxyhemoglobin, hemoglobin. Now when the oxygen joins, important question, yahan se to bahut bar question, I have also faced it a couple of times, that when the oxygen join, what is the spin of the complex, what is the oxidation state of iron. So remember, when oxygen joins, it's not getting oxidized, electrons lost nahi ho jate isme, rather jo aapka spin Fe2 tha in earlier case, so it was high spin. So it was high spin when it was only hemoglobin without oxygen. Now when the oxygen joins, it is again Fe2, but it is now low spin, because we know that जो oxygen है, it contains pi bonds, और जिन ligands में pi bonds आते हैं, that they are considered to be the strong field ligands in your spectrochemical series. So oxygen has a pi bond, so it's also a strong field ligand, so it creates greater crystal field splitting. तो वो जो energy gap है, that increases. आप इसको ऐसे understand कर सकते हैं, this is Eg, so this energy gap has now increased. So this is your T2G, this is Eg. Now since the energy gap has increased, so now जो आपके 6 electrons है, they will sit here, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. It is difficult for those electrons to go into these orbitals, that is Eg orbitals. So this becomes a low spin complex. So iron, when it is binded with the oxygen, so it's a low spin complex, but Fe2 is the oxidation state. So this is low spin complex. That means the hybridization in this low spin complex is T2G 6Eg 0. ठीक है. So it is oxyhemoglobin in this state. Oxyhemoglobin. So this is very important कि यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन आता है. उससे क्या होता है, when oxygen joins, ये जो iron है, it goes, it comes into the plane. Now it becomes some sort of a planar molecule, close to the planar molecule. ठीक है. So अच्छा, दूसरा पॉइंट ये जो डीऑक्सीफॉर्म है, डीऑक्सीफॉर्म ये वाला, इसको आप डीऑक्सीफॉर्म भी कह सकते हैं. जो हीमोग्लोबिन में आयरन ऑक्सीजन ज्वाइन नहीं था, आपको आप डीऑक्सीफॉर्म भी कह सकते हो, डीऑक्सीफॉर्म. इसको आप ऑक्सीफॉर्म कह सकते हैं. ठीक. तो व्हेन हीमोग्लोबिन डजंट कंटेन्स द आयरन, ठीक है, तो ये जो स्टेट इसका होता है, दैट्स कॉल्ड एज द 10 स्टेट. इट्स कॉल्ड एज द टी स्टेट, because it has a lot of tension inside. It's slightly unstable, and when it joins the oxygen, the iron goes into this जो है, ये जो size of the ring है, it goes inside because the size slightly increases. So this state of oxyhemoglobin, it's called as the R state or relaxed state. So this state is called as the relaxed state. So in the deoxyform, जब आप इसके पास ऑक्सीजन नहीं था, that's called as the that's a high spin complex, and that's a T state. When oxygen joins, it's called relaxed state. ठीक है. So this is another important thing. Now जो last question है जो हम आज discuss करेंगे, that is, so we have 4 chains in the hemoglobin. There are 4 heme molecules, and then we have each proteinaceous chain. So it is joined by this to this iron, which is at the center in the +2 state. +2 through that nitrogen of the hemidazole ring of the histidine protein. इसके जरिए से it is attached. ठीक है, every molecule. So question is that मैंने कहा कि they are joined together by the hydrogen bonding. Now the question is that hydrogen bonding एक chain और दूसरे chain के बीच में जो hydrogen bonded है, तो ये किसके बीच में है? Remember this. If we talk about the hydrogen bonding inside this tetramer, इसमें एक chain का, we know that amino acids, they always contain on one side the carboxylic acid group, and then other side of the chain you have amine group, and amino acids also have that zwitterine structure. ठीक. So एक chain में क्या होता है? We have those that NH3, it takes a proton from the carboxylic acid, forms NH3. So on one side we have NH3 on one chain, and other chain we have that carbonyl group, and then we know it has a negative charge. ठीक है. So this is in between we have the hydrogen bond. So 4 chains are joined together by the ionic force, that's the hydrogen bond, and that hydrogen bond is basically between the amine NH3 plus of one chain. It is bonded to the carbonyl of other peptide chain. So this is how these are joined. ठीक है. So this was the portion number 1 regarding the structure of the molecule. And now जो हमारा second topic है, that is the cooperativity effect. So this is second portion of this hemoglobin जहाँ से question आते हैं. ठीक है. So this was all about the hemoglobin. यहाँ पे हमने structure को discuss किया है. I'll just go back. Then the oxidation state of iron, and then high spin low spin complex, then protein chain के alpha and beta chains we discussed, then how the chains are attached. ठीक. Then also we discussed the prosthetic group iron, then the geometry of the complex we discussed. ठीक है. So then the proximal and distal end. उसके बाद we discussed the when the oxygen joins. So each molecule can carry 1 molecule of oxygen. ठीक है. So there are 4 chains, so they can carry 4 molecules of oxygen. Then we discussed this joining of oxygen. So it stabilizes the molecule. This becomes a relaxed state. It also becomes a low spin complex, that is T2G6Eg0. Now this is very important. It's called R state. ठीक है. And then ये जो chains are, they are joined together by the hydrogen bonding. NH3 plus of one chain and the carbon of other chain. So they are joined together by this hydrogen bonding. It's also called as salt bridge. ठीक है. So you can remember this. So certain books say it's also called as the salt bridge. That plays an important role in the cooperativity effect जो हम आगे देखेंगे, which is your the trigger mechanism by that particular scientist. So हम discuss करेंगे आगे. So that's they're joined together by the salt bridge, which is basically the ionic interaction, or it's basically a hydrogen bond between the NH3 of one chain and the carbonyl of the other chain. ठीक है. So this is all about today's topic, and the next topic will be coming up with the cooperativity effect. So तकरीबन in the coming 3 or 4 classes, your bio-inorganic chemistry portion for CSIR, NET, GATE, JRF exams and related exams will be covered up. Thank you. So if you have any question, you can write down. Thank you.